Hey everybody, it's me, Tom Engelberger, and I don't have my books here, but you probably know him by now. I'm the guy that wrote Origami Yoda, and I got that new Geronimo Stilton graphic novel, and a whole bunch of great books in between. Well, I don't know if they're great, but they're about great stuff like Star Wars and all that. So today I'm here to show you how to make Origami Ewoks. Yay! They're fun because you make them out of an old paper bag, and you just keep on making them. You make each one a little different, and pretty soon you have a whole forest moon full of little Ewoks. So let's get started. So as you know, you're going to need like a grocery bag or something. Now, one thing to watch out for is see if you can get a part of the bag that's blank on both sides. This part of the bag is got a bunch of stuff on it. That's not going to be very useful. All right, so you want to, and don't worry if it's wrinkly or even torn a little bit. It's probably all going to work out. The other things you're going to need are some scissors and a brown magic marker. If you've got more than one brown, that can really come in helpful when you go to decorate it. All right, so here we go. This is what you're going to do. By the way, these instructions are in one of the books, either Jabba or the Princess. I can't remember which one. So what you're going to do is start off by folding. Let's get it this way. He's going to fold this guy down like this. Okay. This is a lot like our basic three-fold puppet so far. So you do that. And then that was fold number one. You flip it over. This will be fold number two right here. Just pulling this side over and giving a good strong crease. You got to work on your creases a little harder with these paper bags. They're a little tough. Now you're going to take the other corner, fold it over like this, and give that a good crease. Those are our first three folds that make our basic three-fold puppet. But we're just getting started here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to open this back up. We're going to make his hood, and you see how that's not a straight line. It's a torn and ragged line. Well, we're going to get that by tearing it. So you want this to come down like this, and then go back up a little bit on the other side. We're making Wicket here, by the way, is our first one. So he looks about like this. You'll make the hoods different for each character based on either your imagination or some photo reference. All right. Now, what we're going to do now is we are going to get in here and make another ragged thing. This is going to be the hole where his face sticks out of his hood. So open this back up. You're going to bend this paper just a little bit so you can make a tear. Okay, so we got that started with the tear. Now open it back up. Now you're just going to start tearing that paper in a circular fashion. Just tear out a big circle out of here. And if you didn't, start small, and then you can always make it bigger. If you tear too much and it hits the edge, then you have to start over. Or get some tape. All right, so that's what I've got now. Let's see how that works. There he goes. Like that. And like that. All right. I like it, but it seems a little tall for an Ewok. I'm going to bend this down a little bit. Like that. All right. Now we close it up. Now that we've got that extra space up there, we can make the ears. So take one side, one corner, and just fold that back. Okay? And take another corner and fold that back. Okay, it should look like he's got a pointy head right now. Okay, so now you're going to take those corners and you're going to pull them back so they stick out on the front again, like that. Here's how that looks from the other side. You had it folded back like that. You just take that, fold it forward. Now you got to really squash this down, crease it good, like that. All right, that's ear number one. Now for the next ear, find that other corner, pull it forward and squash it down good, like that. They look a little flat up there. Let's see if we can just tweak the angles a little bit. That's going to make them look less straight lines. There's no straight lines on an Ewok anywhere. All right, and now we're going to take this extra piece here and fold that back so his head isn't quite so pointy. Okay, now at this point we're bending a lot of layers of paper, so it's really getting tough. Okay, that's what that's going to look like on the other side. As always, my puppets look terrible from the other side. That's why you put them on your finger and don't let people see the other side. So that's our basic Ewok. The rest is going to be mostly decoration. And I'm not quite happy with the way I decorated this one. Let's see if I can do a better job over here. By the way, if you want to make this a little bit of the advanced version and you want to give him some arms, see how this Wicket has arms over here? Sorry about that focus situation. Can we get Wicket in focus? Come on, focus on Wicket. The camera does not want to focus on Wicket. I apologize. Okay, can we focus on Wicket over here? There we go. Now he's in focus. All right, he's got these little arms there. Well, here's how you do that. You flip it over. You just fold this out to the side. And you'll see it's going to start pulling this apart over here. Now, normally we would have to figure out a way to fold that out while leaving this intact. But hey, we've already ripped this paper before, so let's just rip it again. Just start ripping till it sticks out to the side, and then fold it down like that. See what that looks like from one side. And it's a little big. We're going to fold that back like that. Do the same thing on the other side. Just go ahead and rip it. We're done being perfect around here. We never have followed the origami rules very closely, and we're certainly not going to start now. There we go. All right. Ewoks are rebels, right? They're rebellious little creatures. They don't follow the rules. There we go. Hey, look at that. Let's see. First of all, let's make his hood a little clearer. So what I'm going to do here is drop the cap, and then I'm going to just start coloring this in. And it's pretty easy to color in without coloring any of the rest of them in, because it's different layers of paper. Just be careful with it. Okay, see how that's coming together? And I'm going really fast here because I don't want to bore you guys. I want to get you to work as soon as possible. Get you guys folding stuff, so I'm not going to take too long with this. You can do a better job or a sloppier job. It's okay with me either way. Ah, now that's starting to look like Wicket. All right, let's see about giving him some eyes now. Where's my Sharpie? Did I mention you should have a Sharpie? Okay, if you don't have a Sharpie, you can do this with the brown. That'll be fine too. We'll just give him two. Well, you know what? Why don't we get the photo reference out? Okay, let's see here. Where's Wicket in my little book here? Wicket, where are you? Hey, there he is. Ah, so that's what our buddy Wicket looks like. So he does have brown eyes. Okay. Oh, I forgot that little thing on his cap, too. Okay. All right. So here we go. I'm going to take the brown magic marker in that case, since he's got brown eyes. He's got big, sweet brown eyes. And little brown nose there. Okay. Oh, I love Wicket. There we go. And then he's got this thing. I almost forgot about that. That's definitely part of Wicket. And of course, he's furry. That's why we use brown paper, but we can also add to that with the other brown, and that just makes him look nice and furry. Oh, this Wicket's so much better than my old one. What an improvement. Look at that. Wow. Yay, I learned something. All right, folks, there's Wicket. He's looking pretty good. I think. I hope you like him. I bet you guys can do better. You can also do Tebow, Chief Chirpa, all those different Ewoks if you want. Just get yourself some photo reference or make up your own Ewok. Go ahead and make a whole village. Make them look any way you want. All right, where did me go? Let's see, I'm around here somewhere. Oh, yeah, here I am. Oh, by the way, who's down there? That's going to be my next video, R5D4. Oh, I better stop. My camera's about to run out of memory. I just need to say, may the Force be with you, always. Wait, that was my Yoda voice. Oh, well. Let me also say, Yub Nub. See you next time, everybody.